Is pouring hot water down a drain safe for my plumbing system?
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a question we often receive. Is pouring hot water down a drain safe for my plumbing system? It's an important topic to address, so let's dive right in and find out.
Understanding your plumbing system.
To understand whether pouring hot water down a drain is safe, let's first take a quick look at how your plumbing system works. Plumbing systems are designed to handle a variety of liquids and substances, including water, waste, and cleaning products. Pipes are typically made of materials like PVC, copper, or cast iron, which can withstand the rigors of daily use.
The effects of hot water on pipes.
Now, let's talk about the effects of hot water on pipes. Hot water can potentially cause damage to certain types of pipes if not used correctly. PVC pipes, for example, can soften and deform when exposed to extremely high temperatures, leading to structural issues and leaks. Similarly, older metal pipes, such as those made of galvanized steel, may corrode over time when exposed to hot water.
Temperature considerations.
When it comes to pouring hot water down a drain, temperature considerations are crucial. Most residential plumbing systems are designed to handle the temperature of hot tap water, which typically ranges between 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 to 60 degrees Celsius. Pouring hot water within this range down the drain is generally safe for your plumbing system.
Precautions and best practices.
To ensure the safety of your plumbing system when using hot water, here are some precautions and best practices to keep in mind. 4.1. Avoid extreme temperatures. Avoid pouring boiling water directly into the drain. Boiling water, especially in large quantities, can exceed the temperature limits that your plumbing system can handle. It's best to let the water cool down a bit before pouring it down the drain. 4.2. Use hot water for specific purposes. Using hot water down the drain for specific purposes, such as breaking down grease or clearing minor clogs, can be beneficial. Hot water can help dissolve greasy substances, making it easier for them to flow through the pipes. However, it's important to note that hot water alone might not solve severe blockages. 4.3. Regular maintenance. Performing regular maintenance on your plumbing system is essential. Check for any signs of leaks or corrosion, and address them promptly. If you have concerns about the condition of your plumbing pipes, it's always a good idea to consult a professional plumber. In conclusion, pouring hot water down a drain can be safe for your plumbing system if done correctly and within temperature limits. Avoid using boiling water and stick to the temperature range of hot tap water. Remember to take precautions, use hot water for specific purposes, and keep up with regular maintenance. If you have any doubts or concerns, it's best to consult a professional plumber who can provide personalized advice for your specific situation. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.